All right, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Doing well, Zach. Thank you. We are doing start off with one box of 2018 World Cup Prizm. We're going to start the two breaks that I couldn't finish last night, 268 and 2010 72. So I'm going to do those two really quick. Then we've got about another 5 or 6 breaks that are sold out. So I'll try to get all those done tonight. We're going to definitely, at least most of them, we're going to definitely get some Immaculate done as well. We've got a couple Euro Selects sold out. We've got some National Treasures sold out. Anyway, we got a lot of stuff to do. All right, let's get going on this one. 12 spots. Each spot gets a randomly assigned pack. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If you're interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Check us out on our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Follow us on Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Watching on YouTube, guys, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing great. Thank you, guys. Jai, Mike, Zach. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Zepster. One, two, three, four, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so 1 through 12. Numbered all the packs. Let me close the. All right, 1 through 12 packs are numbered. And what we're gonna do. So not on the list. Oh, all right, Russ. Glad you got him, buddy. Yeah, everything. Texas is delayed right now. Yeah, EPL Prizm looks like it's being pushed back at least a week. We'll find out more next week, but it doesn't look like it's happening anytime soon. Let's see. All right, bring this up. Yeah, Alex, I actually have a couple of them. I only got 2 boxes. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm trying to see if I can get some more, but it's just nuts. All right, here we go. We're gonna roll the dice or re-roll snake eyes. Otherwise, we go with it. 8 times. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th and final. 8. Neatest on top, neatest on the bottom on 8. Yeah, I tried to see if I can get more even at like, I was trying to see if I can even get more at like 1,200–1,300 a box and just to have some, but I couldn't do it. Yeah, cheapest it's 1,500. David Adams has it, Blowout has it. They haven't posted it yet, but Blowout will be putting more up. I don't know. Have you guys broken any of it? Is it any good? I mean, it looks pretty sick, but I guess it all depends on how much the cards sell for. All right, so here we go. Scott Niederst has quite a few packs. Let's start with pack 1. Scott Niederst. Oh, yeah, that's fine. I figure, yeah, Tim and Timothy are the same. This is Scott Niederst. Neymar. Andre Silva. El Neni. Stojkovic and Cueva. Yeah, I was thinking if you guys want, I mean, I've only got 2 boxes. We could do like 10 spots, serial number, and basically 1 person would win, 9 person would lose. But I've only got 2 boxes, just a cheap way to take, relatively inexpensive way to take a shot at it compared to what they cost. All right, 7, 8, and 9. Pack 7, Scott Niederst. Yeah, I'll post more, Ricardo. I'll post more. They filled up really quick. I posted 2 more boxes today, and they went very quickly. I will post more up. They're very sticky cards. There's Baca Red. Baca Red. Brian Ruiz, Al Sahlawi, and El Ahmadi. All right, 8 is also Scott Niederst. Yes, quite a bit. 2010, not as much. 2006 went absolutely nuts. But yeah, 2010 Messi Ronaldo prices definitely went up substantially. Yeah, get in while you can, because the way it's going, boxes of 2010 are going to be up probably at 1,500 to 2,000 pretty soon. Scott Niederst, good luck. Ivan Perisic, there's a nice one. Werner, Hector, Osmoon, and Rodriguez. Get some of these. We've got 2 more packs for Scott. Let's see how you get these. Get most of these in there. All right. Go on to the last two for Scott. 7, 8, 9, also Scott, and 12. Last two stacks for Scott. Come on, something good. Tony Kroos. All right, silver. Tim Cahill, nice. Mascherano. There's Gabriel Jesus, Pepe, and Rajic. I've got a few I just saved, Alex, just because see what happens to them, and maybe we'll hit them up in a couple months or something. But yeah, I tried to get more, but it was impossible. So at least impossible under like $3,000 a box, and now I think they've gone even higher. You can still get 2010 for about $1,000 a box, but Harry Kane. Yeah, the mega crack stuff, forget it. If you imagine you get sealed stuff of that, it would be like $20,000-$30,000 a box. Perisic, Lamar, ooh, nice one. Leroy Sané, Agu, and Farfan. Leroy Sané. All right, there you go. That is the end of it for Scott. Sorry, Scott, no Mbappe, but that one is pretty nice. Get a Harry Kane as well. I do have 2 boxes of Formula One Dynasty. I don't know, we'll give it a little later in the evening. If you guys want to do something with those, we can do like a can we do like 10 spots, serial number, or something like that? Give him a little one here. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a little bit later. It won't be for at least another 2-3 hours, guys. It'll be around the time when we get to the higher end stuff like Immaculate. Right now I gotta motor through several of these World Cup breaks and some other, and Euro. I'm gonna start off with World Cup and Euro, and then we'll move on to the higher end stuff later tonight. This is Scott Niederst. Did Pi get any I heard a couple people that bought cases like when they were cheap. They were able to, like when they were selling them for like 500 a box, you could get them for 2,500 a case. Alex Fuentes, back in the day. Number 2, Alex Fuentes. Good luck. David De Gea, Paulo Dybala, Dani Alves, João Mario, and Toivonen. Yeah, some of the patches on that Dynasty stuff is just unbelievable, and especially you figure Formula One, because some of those racing suits just have so much sickness in form of sponsors and patches and stuff like that, that some of that stuff just looks absolutely insane. Yeah, I don't know, Chuck. I mean, I don't stock up anything much long myself, but the 2010, there was a guy in Australia, a big store that had tons of it. And he just started selling it like last year when things started picking up, and I'm sure he wishes he would have held on to them, but I was able to luckily buy 10 cases of the 2010 before, like it had gone up a little, but not like crazy like now. But I was too late for the 2006. I was only able to get like 12, 18 boxes, and then I bought another couple cases from here in the US, like once it had already shot up to like 1,500 a box. But now it's like, $4 grand a box. But I only have like five boxes left, I think. Thomas Tan, number 3, 3 and 11. 3 and 11. 2010 is still fairly reasonable, but given what Messi Ronaldo's are selling for, who knows how long that will last. Iniesta. Silver Prizm, Iniesta for Thomas. Hugo Lloris, Charleston, and Musa Sal. Yep. Correct. I mean, we were breaking it a week ago. Well, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, right about in a matter of a week because of it shot up because of sales. That's what I mean. A couple of Ronaldo, Messi PSA 10s sold for like over $10,000, and that made the box price just shoot up like crazy. This is Thomas Tan. So it's all tied into how much the Messi and Ronaldo cards sell for. Smoloff. Vermaelen. Simon and Aliu. Yeah, this one does not have numbered cards. This one only has prisms and silvers. Has some red silvers that are exclusive to this, but also the regular silvers. Yeah, but make sure you put it on the trades post, Steven, because yeah, if it's a trade, always make sure that the only way to get those trades done is through the trades post. So make sure that it's on the trades post, and make sure you so that way, especially if it's a card you're transferring, I don't need the other guy to necessarily confirm, but if it's a card you're getting, make sure the other guy also confirms. That goes to Thomas Tan. But that way I won't miss it, hopefully. Sometimes I still miss it, but... Alright, well, yeah, if you put in the trades post, then you don't have to worry about the message part. But, yeah, hopefully I'll definitely... Usually what I do is, because right now the cards are all over the place, so I have to wait for them to go through sorting and get separated out by breaker, which will happen on Monday night. And then I usually do the trades Monday night because that's a lot easier. I don't have to go chasing through 30 boxes trying to find a card. That way they've already been separated out by breaker. Jimmy Benke. Jimmy Benke. Nice. How about a little Messi action? Nacho. Courtois, Moses, and Torres. After this, we're going to do 2010. And then after that, we're going to do Euro. At least for the next couple of hours, that's our schedule. Number 5, Russ Riley. Good luck, Russ. We're going to go straight till 4 a.m. Because then I'm going to start watching the Chelsea match. So we'll go till probably another 6 hours, right about 5.5 hours or so. Maybe about, I'll go probably about 20 minutes up to the Chelsea Southampton. That's today, right? Or is it tomorrow? Did I screw it up? I think it's today. Vermaelen, Harry Kane, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Maximovic, and Christian Eriksen. Speaking of Fatih Chrome, Jimmy, did you get your cards? I think, was yours the one we sent UPS? I can't remember. I think you paid for UPS, right? Six hours and 20 minutes. There we go. So that was Russell Riley. David Lee. David Lee, number 6. Oh, from which break was it? Dylan Conley. I put Dylan Coffee. Okay. All right. I'll try to. From 2010 World Cup. Okay. Yeah, that should still be. Yeah, I'll look for that. Werner. Get some of these top sleeves. Where did I put them? Yep, I got them right around here somewhere. Where are they? Oh, not here. I thought I brought them up. Go look for them. They're probably up there. Yeah, I got 2 boxes of Dynasty. Ooh, boom diddy shaka. Silver Prizm. Leroy Sané. Congrats. Leroy Sané, Silver Prizm. This was for David Lee. Not that. Para Higuain, Vela, and Piqué. Nice. Had the Werner also. There you go, David. Congrats. You've been addicted? Yeah. David Lee. All right, last pack is number 10, Peter Humphreys. Peter Humphreys. Just look at one thing here really quick. All right, so it should be Conley. Yeah, there's two different Dylans. So. All right. How about a little N'Golo Kante red? Nice little Antoine Griezmann, Alvaro Morata, and Muslera. And that's for Peter. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, it's growing and growing. Been doing this since, yeah, almost going on 7 years. But it really blew up in the last year. All right, so that goes to Peter Humphreys. There you go, Peter Humphreys. All right, so that does it for this one. 2010-72 is next.